Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you ArchiCAD versus Vectorworks best architectural design software. ArchiCAD or Vectorworks, which is better? Both are powerful, but they shine in different ways. ArchiCAD, developed by Graphisoft, is a BIM-first platform built specially for architects. It offers smooth 2D to 3D workflows, robust collaboration tools for teams working on the same model, and strong integration with industry standards. However, it comes at a higher price, with a steeper learning curve and less flexibility outside architecture. Vectorworks, on the other hand, takes a hybrid approach, combining excellent 2D drafting with 3D modeling and BIM features. It's versatile, covering not just architecture, but also landscape and interior design, with impressive rendering capabilities. Yes, its interface can feel less intuitive. BIM depth isn't as strong as ArchiCAD, and performance may lag with complex models. Bottom line, ArchiCAD is the go to for architecture firms focused on BIM efficiency and collaboration, while Vectorworks is ideal for smaller studios or multidisciplinary designers who want creative flexibility alongside technical power. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.